Hello everyone, my name is Selena Cade and today I'll be talking about my final project for CIS 657. To go over the overview of my app allows you to be able to track your location. So it allows you to track where your parked car is. So it's a Find My Parked Car app. It allows you to get your location and then put those coordinates into Google Maps, which allows you to then be able to find exactly where your park is from where you are now. So to go over the requirements that were for this project, again, they were innovation-based requirements, mobile backend, network integration, advanced integration, and then deployment. So the innovation, of course, it has to be original and creative. So there are no other apps around that are specifically parked and Find My Location apps. There are apps where you have like Apple Maps, where you are able to mark where your location is and then go to that location at a specific time or a specific place. But this app is only for parked cars. So for the basic requirements, it has to be fully functional and well designed, have a scrollable list of items, must be stable, consist of more than one screen, and have data between user sessions through web services. So mine is definitely fully functional and well designed. It does have a scrollable list of items that is in the marked screen page. It is stable and it consists of 3 different screens: the home screen, the mark my location, and then find my location or find my parked car screen. And then it also has the data between user sessions through web services. To go to the mobile backend, I have it as Firebase, so that allows me to read and write the data that's coming in. So it gathers the location and puts it in real-time database, so I'm able to see that on Firebase. The network integration, I'll go into more details in a later slide, but the network integrations is just an integration using existing web API, so I'm using Expo Location in order to get that web API services. An advanced integration that I have is to directly integrate using an interactive map, so that is going to Google Maps, where I'll be able to use that interactive map. And then I, however, was not able to do the deployment, the Firebase Analytics, because everything from the summer has changed recently, since I am doing this at a later time. But I did work through trying to understand exactly what Firebase Analytics is and how to deploy my app into Firebase Analytics so I could give it to users. However, that wasn't working because a lot of things have changed in the summer, so I will not be showing that feature. Now moving on to relevant third-party components. As I stated before, the Expo Location API, so location from Expo Location and then show location from React Native Map Link. Those two will help you gather all the information needed to have the location show what your location is, your coordinates, and then be able to track that location to put into Google Maps. Now to talk about the user privacy concerns. So of course, we are allowing users to track their location without giving them the option. So one way to mitigate this, if I was to update this app, would be to make sure that there are options where a user can go in and say, track my location now, or track while using this app, or don't track, having that thing like how Apple does, for example, where it allows you to have the user click into the app and make those options before using those location services. So that is the biggest one, since it is just tracking your location at any point in time as soon as you update that app. Now I'll be getting a demo of the app.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'll be going over a demo of my app. So as I stated before, my app is a Find My Parked Car app. So I'll start the demo up by doing npx expo start dev client. So the first screen you see is the home screen. The home screen just shows welcome you to the app, and then has 2 buttons, which is mark my location and find my location. So first we'll do mark my location. which marks my location, takes your current location that you're at and looks at that location and gives you back the coordinates. So it tells you the speed, the longitude, the latitude, the accuracy, the heading, the altitude, accuracy, and then the timestamp. And so what we're going to do from that is we're going to take the longitude and the latitude coordinates and put that into my final location. So if I go back here and go to the Find My Location button, it will take me to Google Maps. So right now, Google Maps has it where my destination is going to be Grand Valley State University, but I want to put in my starting point. So my starting point would be 42.97222, and we're going to do north, and longitude is 85.95155 west. And when we hit enter, it will calculate that and tell me that I am 4 minutes away from Grand Valley State University. And that's how you would find your parked car. Thank you.